What is going on, Gulf Coast Nation? Guys, welcome back to another episode in the boat, heading offshore. Good weather, nice swells, and some good water out there. Today, let's get it done.
Yes, sir. Gonna go see if we can't smack a big one.
That's right. Yew! Real early in the morning. I'm not even sure if you guys can see me. Came to the jetty, threw the net a couple times, got about 20-25 baits with the net, and then picked up about another 10 or 15 with the sabiki real quick. We weren't at the jetties for more than 15 minutes, 20 minutes this morning, and now we're heading back out. Let's go. All right, we stopped. We saw a couple of bonita busting. We're gonna keep stopping on the way out because, you know, bonita are good shark bait. We could use some more bonita right now, but this water is looking great. We're about halfway there. We've been seeing some flying fish, and it's looking great today. So let's keep going. Pretty excited. Alrighty guys, we just got out to our spot. I'll go ahead and tell you guys what we're doing today. This was our first plan, was to get out here. We're about 32, 33 miles offshore. The water is beautiful right now, very clear. We're in about 177 foot of water right now. Now on the Gulf Coast, that's, you know, pretty deep. And then we're going to go ahead and work our way out to about 400 feet, and then we're just gonna zigzag this, what's called the elbow down here, or up here, over here. It's called the elbow, and we're just gonna troll the elbow here, do a zigzag pattern from deep water up into 200, back to 400, up into 200, and we're gonna be trolling a DTX 200, a DTX 165, both of those, and Nomad trolling lures, and then we're also gonna be putting a chugger lure way back in the spread. Hopefully, our goal today, I'm gonna go ahead and put ourselves out there, is wahoo. We wanna put a wahoo in the 20-foot sea fox, but we'll take what we can get: kingfish, bonita, mahi, blackfin. So let's get the rods back. Let's start fishing. Thing kicked down. Oh my gosh, I can't even tell you guys how irritating this was. We got out here like we told you guys the last time you talked to us. We're about to start trolling, and then our talon just dropped the anchor for no reason in 195 feet. Nobody hit the button, dropped the anchor, and then the cable on the inside came off the rollers, so it was stuck in the down position. So the only solution, so we weren't stuck out here, one, not fishing, two, not bringing you guys a video, and three, paying a decent amount of money for Sea Tow to come 35 miles offshore, we roped the talon up. So yep, it should ride. Let's just fish. Let's fish. You wanna jump on this side? Yeah. Get that bait back. Adam and I aren't great at trolling, mainly because me and him don't sit very well, so our solution, bring a bunch of snacks and Cokes, and just know that we're not going to be actively fishing a bunch, but you got a chance at some big fish. So Are you serious?
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm gonna stop. All right, lost a nice mahi there on that weed line, but we're gonna get set again. I'm gonna go on the north side. Oh, mahi right there, mahi right there. Let it down, let it back, let it back, let it back. It's right there.
Whoa, there's a big mahi. Oh, come on. Got him.
Yes, Adam.
Dude, that's a big old mahi.
It's a gapper?
Yes.
Oh my! Dude, that was the one, bud. That was the one. Okay, there's got to be another with it, right? Hey, bud. Oh, yes, Adam.
You're not stopping.
That's all right. Just let him run, man. Enjoy the fight.
There we go. Get that grass off. All right, bud. Get ready. Yup. Yes, sir. Get him in the boat.
Adam! Tear it up! Congratulations, man. That's a big mahi, bro. Woo!
What?
Ah, dude!
We were out here on a weed line. We stopped because we saw some triple tail. I hooked up a live bait, and as we were looking for them, this thing came by. Pitched the live bait to him. My biggest mahi by far. Yeah. But one day I'm gonna be in the water with my spear gun, and that thing's one like that's gonna come by.
Smoke it, bud. Smoke it. All right, guys. After that nice mahi, we're gonna set up along this weed line, and we're just gonna troll it again. Hold on just a second. We gotta kick us out. We're gonna put a chugger back, and then we're gonna pull the DTX 200 out and just run the 165. That way, if we do hook up or we see mahi feeding on top, we're a little bit more agile with only 2 rods in the water.
Oh, there's some mahi. Right here.
Good call, good call.
Thanks, man.
Oh. Get the other spoon if you want. I don't think they're gonna eat that.
Ah!
Alright guys, we just got into a good group of chicken dolphin here. I'm thinking about just...
Oh! Yep.
For a second.
Ah! That was sick! Whoa! There!
That almost got you, alright?
Yeah.
I feel like they just feel safer away from the boat. Like that, go ahead, flip them. Weed line number 2 here, started the troll, found a big old mat. And for the Gulf, there's no regulation on mahi size. And 2, we don't get big mahi like that gaffer that we caught earlier. So these are normally the mahi we get. They taste super, super good. There are thousands of them around here, and dolphin grow so fast and die so fast that it's not, you know, if you want to complain, I guess drop a comment, but check these guys out. We are out at our reef spot now. Time to get the slow pitch rods down, the speed jig down, see what we can't jig up. Kind of the goal here. Put some more fish in the box, but just get hooked up to some big ones. Let's do it. All right, Adam, what happened?
I said that before he knew he was hooked.
Come on, stand him up. Stand him up. Guy catches one big mahi and thinks he can turn the whole world. Marking really good, so I think give her a whirl up here. There we go. I don't know, it's not really big. Dude, there's so much power in this thing now.
You can tell how strong that rod is.
It feels so good. It feels so like smooth. And this accurate is just amazing. Deep color. Watch out. Can you grab that jig for me? Sir. First fish, first fish. First fish today. Jigging with the accurate lesser amberjack. These guys are great. 10 per person. Let's get them in the box. He came fired up, didn't he?
He smoked him.
Big old cuda. Good sharp bait. Got a bunch of trips coming up in July, so
Yes,
he's gonna
sir.
go to use. Gonna slide that cooler over for me. Alrighty guys, well, looks like that kind of concludes our day there. Started out crazy good. Well, it started out frustrating with the talon situation. I can't believe that. Look at this thing.
Yep.
We're gonna ride in like Redneck Riviera with a talon tied up to the back because it failed us. But anyways, started out frustrating. We made a huge redemption. Adam sight casted that giant he.
Yes, sir. Smoked him.
Smoked him, bud. And then ran out to our little reef spot out here, and it was pretty slow. Jigged up a couple lesser amberjack.
Yep.
Very good, and we got a couple cuda for some upcoming trips.
Got some chicken dolphin on the way.
And some chicken dolphin, that's right. We're gonna run back in, but we'll see you guys back at the dock. We'll get these fish cleaned up.
Yes, sir. Let's do it.
That's right. Alrighty guys, sitting here this evening, finishing this video up for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We've been trying to bring you guys some spread out content here, a little bit of shark fishing, a little bit of offshore fishing, a little bit of this, a little bit of that, but it is almost July, and I'm telling you, we have 4 days left in July that are not booked for shark fishing trips. We are almost entirely booked for the month of July. So the diversity of our content might be just shark fishing, which would not be very diverse. I understand that, but just hang tight with us. We're gonna be running a lot of trips, sharing the experience with a bunch of people in person, which is awesome. I love getting to share the experience with you guys right here on YouTube. But this month is gonna be tight. We're still gonna be bringing you guys weekly videos. We're gonna be working our tails off to keep bringing you guys videos every single Tuesday. So don't fear, that's still coming. But I have a feeling that it's gonna be a lot of shark fishing, which is a great thing and an awesome thing. We might try to get on some tarpon. We might try to you know, put a little extra work in and try to get you guys something. But it's gonna be like shark fish all night, wake up, like sleep in, and then get all the gear freshened up, change it outlines that we need, get new leaders made, hit the beach, sleep, wake up, freshen gear, hit the beach, wake, sleep up, freshen gear, hit the beach. I'll find some time in those gaps there to edit you guys out some videos, keep the content coming for our nation. So just hang with us through July. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys got something out of it. Hope you guys enjoyed that huge mahi. If you guys did enjoy that mahi, comment below for me. Let us know what your favorite part of this video was. And as always, we'll catch you guys next week. Let's go! Woo!